Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Holden Equinox, stock number 7360. Strength from the 9th 2017 to the 12th 2020. It's an LTG 2 litre 4 cylinder turbo petrol engine, 3.9 speed automatic transmission. This is the LTG 2 litre 4 cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, front bonnet, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, rear mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,